My media friends, those who are present over here. Today, on behalf of the ATISA, with a central committee comprising with 21 divisions all over Tripura, we have come into resolve with the university in the last meeting that we would resolve the ATISA, all Tripura student organizations and allied organizations of IPT, and we march toward the Tripura Motha under the banner of chairmanship of our Maharaja, Product Maniko Development. We, on behalf of the ATISA, we declare from today onwards, we will be working under the banner of Tripura Motha, whereas there is no any conflictions between our organizations. We all know and we have understood the clear pictures of the past and present and futures for the development and for the survival of our Tripura, the demand of Tripura land or the greater Tripura land. This is the unique Tripura land, and we only see under the leadership of our Guru, it is possible for getting our own demand. So we therefore, we ATISA, from today onwards, we dissolve, and all the committee that we have, 21 divisions comprising all Tripura, and the central committee, there are some included over here and some present. Here, working president Jogal Nawatia, here SGS Ranjit Malsom, and SGS Rakesh Devarma, and Central Committee Organizing Secretary Kogendra Devarma. Here, Organizing Secretary Konso Mohan Murasing and Budrai Devarma. And there are more due to some communications due to coronavirus. We are unable to come here on presence. Most of them doesn't get the car pass, due to that we delay. And those don't think that we only the few persons, those who present are marching toward the Tripura Motha. But this is under our meeting and resolve and decision taken that we all the committee will be from today onward will march toward the Tripura Motha.